sign, turn right.
Good morning, you guys. I look cray right now. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dior. This is going to be like a maintenance prep with me for vacay type of vibe. So we are currently on our way to get our hair braided. We're getting knotless, small knotless braids. And I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get my hair done. We're gonna get our nails and toes done. I'm excited to take you guys with me to all my appointments, and it's just a good time. I will see you guys later. Good morning, Dr. Stop. How can I help you? Good morning. Can I have your combo number 5, please? Can I do a regular coffee?
What size coffee?
A small.
All right. Well, I can make the order for you.
Yes.
624.
Okay, thank you. The hash brown comes with that. I ordered a bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle. Those are, those are my favorite. I'm trying not to drink any more sugar and cream in my coffee just because I eat so much sugar. Thank you. It's gonna take like 5 hours for me to get my hair done. I think I might fall asleep. I'm so tired. So tired. Thank you.
You had the bacon cheese good with coffee?
Uh-huh. Thank you.
Any cream in the sugar?
Oh, no, thank you. Thank you. You too. This is the finished look, and I absolutely love it. Like, it's a little longer than I expected, but you know what? Your girl likes length, okay? And it's bomb.com. She did her thing. It was like 5 of them braided on my hair, but it made the time go faster. But she did her thing with these braids. I love it. This is gonna be like my hairstyle all summer. Next time I want to try some color though. I want to try like honey blonde. I feel like that would look cute. But yeah, it's giving bust down. Is it giving bust down? I think it's giving bust down. It's giving. I want to call my sister. Hey y'all, it's been like a couple days later. Has it been a couple days? It's been like 2 days later. Today is the 22nd. I got my hair done the 20th. Yeah, so it's been like 2 days later, and I've had like a pretty busy, eventful day. I worked last night from 7 to 7 a.m. But the prep doesn't stop just because we're tired, okay? We can take a nap on the plane. We can take a nap at the hotel. But we cannot take a nap now. So I'm about to call the nail salon to see if they have any availability. I forgot I have Pilates, but I can't go to Pilates because it's just too much going on, so I have to cancel that. So I just don't have time. You guys can tell, like, I'm stressed. I feel like the prep before vacation is so much and just exhausting, but whatever. I'm going to call the nail salon first. They close at 7.
Sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Goodbye.
Okay, well, we gonna go up there. Whatever, but we also need to pack too. I know the nail salon closes at 7. I do need to pack now. So why don't we just pack now? And I'm gonna pack off camera and then show you guys what I'm packing, or just show you my pack bag. I don't know, I just feel like packing is boring. So okay, you guys, this is what we're working with. I got a House of CB dress, but I'm not gonna show you guys till I try it on my birthday, because I'm scared the zipper is gonna break. It's a tight squeeze, but you guys will see in another video. I mean, when I get on vacation or whatever. I'm so tired, you guys, but this is all that I have packed right now. I'm just gonna be using this duffel bag. Like, so mentally exhausted. Like, I love going on vacation, I love being able to travel, but like this is so stressful for me. Like, I can't even sleep because I have like so much anxiety, and I don't know why that I'm like this. I feel like I'm gonna end up forgetting something that I'm really gonna need. But I mean, like, it's not like there's no stores out in New York City that I can't buy something. But I don't know, you guys. I'm nervous as well. I just need to take a chill pill. But this is what we have so far. Just clothes galore. It kind of looks like a mess because it is a mess. I know, shoes on the bed, raw dogging, it's wild. But I wash my sheets when I get back home. And I need to go because I need to go get my nails done, and I did not get my nails done yet because they did not answer the phone. So I ended up packing instead because the nail salon that I'm going to is like way across on the other side of town. So I need to have this stuff packed and ready to go so that I don't forget anything and I just can get my nails done and whatnot. I'm trying on like an airport outfit. That's why this tag is on here. I got this from the thrift. I don't want to show you guys too much because my room is a mess, but it's just I don't want to show you that at all. But it's just a white shirt, and then I'm thinking about wearing these white yoga pants, but I feel like it's too much white on white. But I don't know, you guys. I'm going to finish packing and trying to get somewhere. I feel like I've been packing for like an hour, trying on outfits, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't, and I feel like I haven't gotten anywhere. So I'm going to just finish doing this, and hopefully I can make some progress in the next 30 minutes, or else I will cry. I will talk to you guys in a minute. I'm like finally finished packing. I'm in the car now. I'm looking at like Pinterest what type of nails I want, and I think this might be what I'm looking for. I just want like something like plain, but not too plain. And I haven't had French in a minute, so I think honestly I might do a French. But is that too plain and boring though? Honestly, I'm feeling French. A wee wee. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just go with French. Like, stick to what I know. I'm gonna just stick to what I know. Try it. I am back in the car from getting my nails done. So this is what the nails look like. That's what they look like. But on my toes, I just got white polish. And I'm not going to show you my toes because no free toes. But I went to Best Buy and I got a digital recharging battery for my vlog camera because we're about to be filming in New York. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully it like actually fits. I'm looking for my vlog camera. Oh my goodness, you guys are on my vlog camera. Oh, we'll try it later. So I'm at Ulta. I'm going to go pick up my birthday gift. They said that my birthday gift, because like you get like freebies on your birthday if you guys didn't know. If you're like members or what is it? Like you sign up for like point system or whatever, you get free stuff for your birthday. So you can get free stuff from Sephora, you can get free stuff from Ulta, Starbucks, and things like that. So I am back from getting stuff from Ulta. I got quite a bit of stuff. I did not stick to the script, like what else is new, but I got a headband, another one of these headbands, because my bow, I lost the bow on this and I just wanted another one because I'm like, every time I'm doing a get ready with me, I'm wearing the same headband, like gross. And then I got this body lotion for my 3-day trip. I don't think I'm gonna go through this whole entire body lotion in 3 days, so I should be good. I got this in the scent Spun Sugar and Vanilla Bean. You guys know I love vanilla. I feel like my lips are so dry. Next, I finally got my hands on the black Girl sunscreen, make it hybrid, and the broad spectrum SPF 50. They have SPF 40, SPF 45, and SPF 50. They said the higher the SPF, the better it is. So I got SPF 50, and I heard a lot of good things about this sunscreen, and I have not been wearing my sunscreen. I honestly have not. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I don't wear sunscreen, but I'm going to start wearing sunscreen because I don't want to be looking old and wrinkled. I have a birthday. I'm turning 23. Like, I'm getting up there, so we gotta protect the skin. Next, I got the Juvia's Place. Can you guys see? I don't think you can. I got the Juvia's Place concealer, and I just wanted to give this a go and to give this a try. I hope it's not too bright underneath the eye because I'm not trying to look ghosty or anything like that, but I wanted like a nice under eye concealer because I've been using e.l.f. but I don't know with that concealer, and I haven't bought a new under eye concealer because I've just been using that one. But I got that one just to try. If I don't like it, it's going back. Next I got the hydrating gentle cleanser, La Roche-Posay, to take with me on my plane because take with me on the trip because the cleanser that I do have, it's way too big. So I just bought this little one, and I thought I'm not gonna use this all in 3 days, but I can use this when I'm going to the gym, or I can put this in my work bag, my gym bag, and have this cute little, you know, for later. Next I bought the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush. I got this in the color Summertime Wine. I'll swatch it for you guys real quick, I guess. It looks like this. It's like very like tiny. It's just cream blush. I don't have a cream blush, but I don't even know if you guys can see that. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna try it because it looked cute, so I wanted it. And the last thing that I got is my Urban Decay setting spray. You know, I had to double it because I have the regular setting spray, but again, we cannot bring big size things on the airplane or else they will confiscate it, and I would be very upset if they took away my setting spray and made me throw it out. But that is it. I did not stick to the script. I don't even know why I made a list. Like, girl, I overspent what I wanted to spend, but it's okay. You gotta treat yourself sometimes. Now I'm about to go home and wash my laundry, make sure that is together before I leave. And then that's basically it. That is basically it. I'm trying to think, like, do I want to do a facial? Do I want to get something to eat? I don't know what I want to do, you guys. But what I know is we gotta get some sleep. We have to get some rest because we have to be up in the morning. I'm gonna be up so early. I'm talking 3 o'clock, besties. I'm talking be at the airport at 4, and you know I always run late, so I don't know. We'll see. I'm just like really getting over my fear of like vlogging in public. Not that this is like a motivational vlog or anything like that. I'm not trying to sound inspirational or motivational, but I'm just proud of myself, like getting over that hump. Of course it fluctuates between, you know, being shy, being scared that you are recording in front of other people and caring about others' opinions, and then you go from not caring at all and just doing you, and that is like the best thing that can happen because that's how you grow. So, and reach new levels for yourself, and I just love that for myself. But yeah, that is it, you guys. I'm like so done spending money. I don't even want to touch my credit card. I know my credit card is sick of me. Like, you don't have any other card you want to swipe? Like, I know it's tired of me.